My name is Gideon. I want to give you a tutorial on PSR SX900 on how to put your octave settings. So as I used to do, this another PSR SX900. So if you want to put in your octave settings, you come to menu, this menu here, see menu, you press menu, come to menu 2. From menu 2, come to voice settings. Can you see voice settings? Click voice settings. On voice settings, then you have your octave for your right hand, octave for your left hand, octave for your right 2. We have right 1, right 2, and right 3. And your left, you can just on them. Likewise, you set your octave from voice settings. Another alternative is that when you come to exit on your normal screen here, come to voice parts, click on voice parts, it will show this. Then you can see octave, here. It's a screen touch, so you can easily put it to +1 or -1. So either ways you can do that. Thank you.